How to use purchase orders. Purchase orders are used to keep track of new products being added to your inventory. Before you start, make sure you have added your vendors. Click the eye in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to view the tutorial on adding vendors. First, we will go over the system setup options for purchase orders. Click on System. Go to the Service/Product tab. The first option is foreign exchange rate on purchase orders. If you purchase products from a foreign vendor, set the estimated exchange rate here. Allow temporary cost changes will allow you to adjust cost when making a purchase order. It will also ask you if a cost change is temporary or permanent. This is useful if your business often receives discounts on products ordered. We will enable it for this tutorial. The stock ordering method has two options, constant level and order point. Constant level means, when a purchase order is built, products will be ordered to attempt to keep inventory levels constant. For example, if the target level is set to 10 in a product and there are 3 currently on hand, 7 will be ordered. Order point means, when a purchase order is built, a set quantity of product will be ordered if the current on-hand amount is below the order point. For this tutorial, we will select order point. The Include Freight and Duty in Product Costs option makes it so a percentage of freight and duty costs are used to calculate the average cost of a product. Now, let's click on the Taxes tab. Click on Preferences. Here, you can turn on Pay Taxes on all purchased products, if you always pay sales tax on products ordered. Click Save. Next, we will need to make sure our products are set up properly. Go to the Products area. Click on a product. We will demonstrate how to set up a product for purchase orders. This will need to be done to any products you plan to create orders for. Click on the Ordering Info tab for your selected product. First, set the vendor that the product is purchased from. The last received date field will automatically be filled after you finish a purchase order for the product. If you pay sales tax when purchasing the product, check off which taxes are paid. The cost field will be the amount you usually purchase the product for. Each time you order this product, you will have the option to adjust the cost of the product. Next, set if the product is being ordered for retail use, professional use, or both. The order code is an optional identifier your vendor may give you for the item. The order level field will specify the amount of product you must reach, or fall below, for Encore to initiate a reorder automatically. The order quantity field is the amount of product that Encore will order once the on-hand amount is at, or below, the order level. For example, if I set the order level to 1 and the order quantity to 4, that would mean, once I get to 1 or less on hand, order me 4 more. Click Save when done. Now, we will demonstrate running a purchase order. We have set up all of our products off-screen. Click on the Products drop-down menu. Go to Purchase Orders. Click Add New. Select the vendor to order from. If you want to manually add each product to your order, uncheck Auto Build. If you want to automatically build your order, based on your set order level and order quantity, check off Auto Build. In this tutorial, we will auto build. The order number can be left blank, and one will be set automatically. If you have a specific order number you want to use, you can enter your own. Set the date that the order is being submitted to the vendor. Set the date that the order is expected to arrive. Under Ship By, you can enter the name of the shipping company. Vendor and business address information will populate automatically, based on your vendor selected. The boxes labeled Terms and Notes can be left blank or filled in with information about your order. Once finished, click Save. If you need to go back and edit any of that information, use the Edit button. Use the Void button to void the order. Click Build to reload the list of products that have reached their order level and need to be reordered. You can edit the quantity manually after building the order, if needed. If you have enabled adjusting the cost, you will be prompted to set if it is a temporary change or a permanent one. If you select Permanent, it will update the cost in the Products area for you. You can add products manually by clicking Add Item. Once the purchase order has been double-checked, you can click Receive to receive the product into your inventory. On the receiving screen, you can add any freight or duty costs as well as if there was a discount percentage applied. If there is any difference between what you received and what product amounts are shown on the order, edit it here. Once everything is correct, click Save. Warning! You will not be able to go back and edit the order once it is saved. Saving the order will complete the order and update your product on hand amounts. If you happen to complete an order incorrectly, you would either have to go edit each product's on hand amount or create a purchase order with negative values to cancel out the incorrect order. We have now finished going over purchase orders. Thanks for watching.